What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV, and today I'm using some gels, flash, and creativity to turn a boring location into something worth shooting. Let's go shoot. Most photographers spend way too much time looking for better locations. Today, I'm shooting inside the parking garage of my apartment complex. No fancy architecture, no incredible views, just concrete walls, overhead lights, and a location most photographers would probably avoid. But instead of focusing on the location, I'm going to focus on the light. For this shoot, I want to create cinematic portraits using colored gels and the Flashpoint BFP Flash Projection to shape and control exactly where the light falls. I'll be shooting everything on the Canon R5 paired with the Canon RF 50mm f1.2L lens, one of my favorite combinations for creating cinematic portraits. For the first setup, I'm shooting against a plain concrete wall. Nothing special about it. I'm lighting the entire scene with a blue gelled Flashpoint Evolve 200 Pro 2 to create a cool cinematic base. Then I'm using the Flashpoint Explore 400 Pro 2 paired with the Flashpoint BFP Flash Projection and a red gel to project a narrow strip of light across my subject's face, creating a dramatic focal point that instantly transforms the scene. The combination of the cool blue ambient light and the red projected beam creates a bold color contrast, adds depth, and directs the viewer's attention exactly where I want it. For the second setup, I'm taking advantage of the existing garage lights. Instead of trying to hide them, I'm using them as part of the composition. Then I'm adding a Flashpoint Explore 400 Pro 2 with a red gel as a rim light to enhance the mood and create separation between the subject and the background. As my key light, I'm using a Flashpoint Evolve 200 Pro 2 inside the Glow EZ Lock 36-inch Octa softbox to create soft, flattering light on my subject. What's interesting is that none of this requires a great location. The garage hasn't changed, the wall hasn't changed, the overhead lights haven't changed. The only thing that's changed is the way I'm lighting the scene. And that's one of the biggest lessons in photography. A great image isn't always about finding an amazing location. It's about learning how to see potential and using light to transform an ordinary space into something extraordinary. All right, guys, let me know how I did turning this boring location into something worth shooting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.